If the reciprocal of x cubed is 27, what is the value of x? And we have 4 possible answers. First, we need to understand what the word reciprocal means. So if I have, for example, the number 4, its reciprocal would be 1 over 4. And if I have y as a variable representing any number, then the reciprocal of y would be 1 over y. So the question says the reciprocal of x cubed is 27. So if I then have the reciprocal of x cubed, and that is equal to 27, then x cubed must be equal to 1 over 27. Next, what is the value of x? So x cubed means x is raised to the power of 3. So how can I rewrite 27 as something raised to the power of 3? And 27 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 3. So if I remove the cube, or I take the cube root, then I can see that x is 1 over 3. So the correct option would be option B, 1/3.